just going to show how he has absolutely no fear of vacuum cleaners. He likes to be hoovered, so this is funny. I'm going to switch the hoover on so you can hear. So funny.
His hair is really fine and it's sort of airborne all the time because he molts a lot. So this is a really good way of keeping all the loose hair flying around in the house. And as you can see, he really quite enjoys it. He loves being brushed and just any attention really, like, so he's getting around there. He likes to have a sniff and make his mark on the vacuum as well. So he's just turning round and see if he wants the other side done.
Want the other side done, Casper?
There's certain bits of him he doesn't actually like being touched, so that's when he might say, I've had enough now. As you can say, all in all, quite likes to be vacuumed.
If he didn't like it, he would clear off. He would just go. No, he's one. You like that? Is that nice? Yeah, so Casper approves of the Dyson cleaner.
There's not much attention he doesn't like. He likes to fuss, he likes to sleep, and just generally a very laid-back cat. That's it. That's it for Casper. Having his daily vacuuming. Thanks very much, and we'll see you all soon. Bye now.